What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. The national organizer of the Labour Party, Vusi Khoza, he was actually interviewed by the SABC and he spoke about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, and he said Mbuyiseni Ndlozi is going to be removed from parliament before the State of the Nation address next year. So this is a prediction from Vusi Khoza, and the SABC has actually labeled Vusi Khoza as a KZN leader. But what actually makes it interesting is that the way SABC is actually more like hyped Vusi Khoza by labeling him as a former EFF MP and a KZN leader. You wonder where he's actually leading in KZN and why they had to bring the EFF. But for them to bring the EFF here is to gain relevance and gain the attention of the people, to actually more like build him up and say this is a big person by bringing the EFF in, and also saying he is a KZN leader. And what makes it even more interesting again is that they never asked him about his new political party, the Labour Party, its performance at the recent by-elections in Tavazimbi, for example. They actually speaking about gossip about Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. What is even more interesting is that Vusi Khoza left the EFF, then joined MK Party, then went to join the Labour Party, but they're labeling him as a former EFF MP. But the reason why they have to mention the EFF is to sell their stories, because they have to make money and sell adverts each and every day, and they have to find something that is trending and interesting. If they just say he's the national organizer of the Labour Party, who is going to care? But if you bring in the EFF now, it's going to give a punch, and then they can sell and make money. Of course, it's poor journalism, but that's the world that we now live in. It's all about who can get the most clicks, who can get the most views. It's about attracting attention, and that is what they are just doing.